Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is Chronic Diseases and Health Monitoring Big Data a Survey. Let's see the abstract of our project. Big data plays an important role in achieving predictive analysis in the healthcare domain. Big data handle huge explosion of data, which is found in many medical organizations. Big data analytics plays a major role in solving issues and challenges arises in healthcare domain. Medical area includes vast amount of data which is suitable for data analysis. Medical big data is mainly used in clinical data, monitoring of chronic diseases. Health monitoring mainly used for detecting the changes in the patient health. First, the data is pre-processed to remove the unwanted data and providing the efficient prediction result. Second is the data analysis process. It's the process of cleaning, transforming and modeling the data with the goal of discovering useful information. In this process, we propose a privacy protection for securely maintaining the patient information. The machine learning algorithm is mainly used to predict the disease and provide the more efficient prediction result. Finally, our system will predict the disease and display the treatment to the patients based on the patient test result. Suppose if the patient want to get the doctor advice, the counseling will be provided between the patient and the doctor. Let's see the flow of our project. In this paper, we are going to find the diabetes disease based on the diabetes test results. First, the doctor will log into their account by using their username and password. If it is valid, it will be redirected to the doctor's page. There, the doctor will manage all the patient details and load the data set for predicting the disease, and also they will provide a counseling to the patients. First, the dataset is loaded for predicting the disease. The diabetes dataset, which contain the test results of glucose tolerance test, blood pressure test, skin fold thickness test, body mass index test, and diabetes pedigree function test. And then the data set is pre-processed to remove the unwanted data. It's a process of filtering. In this analysis of disease process, it analyzes the disease based on the diabetes test results. In this process, we are going to find the normal and then diabetes disease patients. In this project, the machine learning algorithm such as Navy Bayes classification algorithm is used for classification and prediction of disease. After classifying, it will be clustered. The symptoms include what are the diabetes symptoms that the patient will have, the stages which include either the patient have a type 1 or a type 2 level, and the solution of the disease. The patient will log into their account by using their username and password. Suppose if it is a new user, they have to be registered before login. After the successful login, the patient will enter the test results for finding whether the patient having a diabetes or not. Suppose if the patient having a diabetes, they can choose symptoms for viewing that type and treatment for that. Finally, suppose if the patient want to consult the doctor, the counseling will be provided between the patient and the doctor. Let's see the execution of our project. Run the project. Click start button to start the execution of our project. First, the doctor will log into their account. After the successful login, the doctor will manage all the patient details and provide counseling to the patient, and also they can load the dataset for predicting the diabetes disease. Select the dataset. The dataset which contain the fields of glucose tolerance test, blood pressure test, skin fold thickness test, body mass index test, and diabetes pedigree function test. Here it will display the selected file and its file format and then file size. After that, the dataset is loaded. The dataset is loaded successfully, and then view the data. The dataset is pre-processed. The pre-processing is a process of removing the unwanted data. Here it's a process of filtering. Show the data. Next, group by disease. The cluster created successfully. Then the cluster 2. Load types. Here it will display the symptoms and then types of the symptoms. Apply Navy Bayes classifier. In this project, the machine learning algorithm such as naive Bayes classification algorithm is used for classification and prediction of disease and will classify the normal and non-diabetes patient. Data classified successfully, then view the data. Here it will display the diabetes patient, and then here it will display the normal results. Click next button. View the disease, symptoms, stages, and then treatment. Here the admin can view all the patient details. Then the patient will log into their account. Suppose if it is a new patient, they have to be registered before the login. The registration details, which include the patient first name, last name, username, password, email ID, mobile number, and then address of the patient. Registered successfully, then log into their account. The patient have to enter the test result for viewing whether the patient have a diabetes or not. Diabetes, please check your type. Here it will display the symptoms. Choose the symptoms for viewing the type. The patient have a type 1 diabetes. Here it will show the treatment for the patient. Suppose if the patient want to consult the doctor, the counseling may be provided between the doctor and the patient. This is the overall execution of our project. Thank you for watching this video.